Hello, I am Nitesh Pradhan from LabVIEW and Multisim. In this video, we will design the data over limit sub VI. The simulated data need to check each loop iteration to see if it is exceed the user defined limit. To control or to check and maintain the simulated data, we need a data over limit sub VI. So let's start designing. In this sub VI, our system will accept the data and check the data with given limit. Okay, so here I will take one error functions, error control. I will pass this error here like this same, and I will come into the error also. I will pass the error like this. Now in no error, we'll come to the front panel again. Well, here we'll right click and create indicator. Here we need one numeric that will be data in. Then we need another in limit in. Okay, take both inside the loop. Right click, create indicator, data out. Limit out. Greater and equal to indicator, data exceed limit, data exceed limit. Okay, to eliminate this problem, okay, this tunnel problem, we can place all the data inside here. Now our program is ready. So for that, 1 2 3 input, 1 2 3 4 output. Okay, right click, select all, come into the edit, create sub vi, double click and open it. Limit in, data in, limit out, data out. Now there is 4 input, 3 input and 4 output. Sorry. right click here, disconnect all terminal, right click, come into the patterns and the best output will be we can take this one also, we can take not this one, we cannot take, we can take this one, so we can take this 3 input 4 output. Okay, if you want, so you can take this one. Now click here, click, select limit error, error, error out, limit out, data out, then exceed data, this one. Now right click here, come into the edit icon, select all, delete, come into the icon text, right here, data over limit. Then hit the OK button. Okay, it's look like this. So we can again write, we can again open, we can take this one. Okay, so now our function is ready to save. Now save here. I will try to save in my document. Okay, LabVIEW sub vi, LabVIEW sub vi. Inside the LabVIEW sub vi, data over limit series of vi. Let's try to save. Data over limit sub vi. Now my data over limit sub vi has been developed. Press Ctrl B, delete. Now right click, come and to select a vi. Okay, data over limit sub vi, limit here, Control A, Control U. Now my program is ready. Okay, so now I can use this block diagram. I can use this VI to check my data is present under my limit or it is exceeding. Okay, this VI passes the data value and limit through the output for wiring with the next node or VI. So thank you for watching this video.